So hey guys, today we're going to be installing a VRSF, what is it, street or race? Street exhaust. Come over, take a look.
Play a tune.
Camera can probably go inside. Oh man.
What do we do?
What do we do?
Smells like burning. Update, cars in the air, tools are on the ground.
I don't know why I'm starting here when I should start at the other end. Can't remember, where's the impact? Is this 18?
Nice.
That one's a bit concerning.
Holy shit, dude.
Oh, it's not getting reused. Okay, that's all we need. That's fine. Why do I do this?
The e-torques.
Why do I do this? It's just gone, dude. I literally had it seconds ago and it's gone. Okay, I'm gonna go home. Are you filming?
Yes.
Alright, get a picture of my face here. Step 1, remove this clamp. Right here. Now pan to that. Right here. Step 2, pan over here to this. Remove these hangers. Step 3, if you actually want a DIY, go watch Budget Beamers. Step 4, learn how to properly use tools, because I still don't know how. Oh, step 5, hope that this somehow comes out and off. We should start it up.
Without the muffler, dude, I'm doing it. We're doing it.
Wait, it should just come off now, shouldn't it? Your boy's a bit lost. What is this? I'm just lost. How does this come off? Wait, I'm so confused. I don't remember the exhaust looking like this. Oh.
We've discovered more hangers. There's 2 back here.
I'm wondering, do we take this bolt off or do we just try and slide this out? Oh.
Yeah.
So what holds this on is this bolt.
Oh.
So I'm thinking I just take it off.
Yeah.
I need a socket. Yeah.
Coming. Oh, is this a 13? Yikes. Here, try this.
There she comes. But what the fuck? How is this all attached? I'm so lost. The reason I'm so confused is because I reference a video and then I just watch and then I try and do it myself and it's nothing like the video. It's just completely different. Let's just say she's a bit fucking loose here, boy.
Dude, you got sick wobble in your pipe there, bro.
Okay, what next? You just fucking attach it to the down pipes and pull the whole thing out? What do you say?
Yeah, dude. You can just slide it along the floor.
Oh,
hell yeah. It's not even that big. Look, it only goes way back there.
Okay. Bigger wiener for one. What size is this?
Oh, are you doing it?
Yeah.
Oh.
That's the one. What are the chances I just break these all loose and then impact them out? Uh-oh. Fucking hell.
Oh.
Ain't no bolts getting stuck today, boys.
Yeah, right, dude. We ain't breaking bolts.
Oh.
Never mind. Oh, that one was suspiciously loose.
It wasn't that bad, it just didn't cry like the other ones. God, please stop being so hard. Are these aluminum? Do I have to replace them? Shit.
Ask Mark about that one.
It's a bit tight.
Okay, viewers. Here's the plate.
There's no viewers.
The plate we took off. It's there.
Because all I do is I counter hold these.
Okay.
I'll show you. I'll show you and I'll show the viewers. Okay, viewers, are you listening?
No. Yes.
This is gonna be the one useful tip you get all day. This exhaust is held up by this hanger. A lot of the time you can take this off here, but this bolt is notorious for stripping. I just quoted a budget Beamers video. But you actually have to take this off when you're doing the whole exhaust. So you get an E12, short little stubby, put it on this side, get her nice and good, and then,
Oh god.
I can't see what I'm doing. Cut the video, cut the video.
Cut the video.
There we go.
That's the general area.
Am I loosening or am I tightening? I'm probably trolling.
This is from the other side.
So, we got one. That all comes out. And then we just do the other bolt. Your boy's hand's a bit tired, so we're gonna cut the video and come back.
Cutting.
These bolts, let's just say, were torched off last time. Now all left is the downpipe and the diff bolts.
Downpipe bolts coming out now.
Oh, what we can do is start it up with the 3-inch with no muffler.
Yeah, yeah.
That's a play.
That's what the fucking race exhaust will sound like too.
Yeah, dude. Oh my god. All right.
Dude, it's gonna be loud as my asshole.
All right. So now
I'm so overwhelmed. Okay, so I need a wrench.
think back to when you did it. Does a 12 wrench fit on the edge? Because that's what you
No.
have. What do you think? What do you reckon?
It's a 13.
It's a 13?
I don't know. Fuck if I know. Yeah, 13. It's gonna be a 13.
Cut the video.
This is so spaghetti. I don't know why, but for some reason the bolts that came with the kit, we couldn't put them in through one way, so we had to put them reverse. So this one right here is the only one that's facing this direction. And we could not fit the bolt in from the other side for some reason. So we had to put this one this way and all the other ones the other way. And if I was more mechanically inclined, your boy would be getting this off much quicker, but I'm a bit of a troll. Okay, so now I can, I don't know. Don't even have to look. Oh god, don't look. Please stop filming. Oh my god, how far do I have to go, boy? Where's that wrench and how am I supposed to get it on here? Update.
Got.
Check out my finger here. Whoa! Oh my goodness.
Exhaust is coming down, boys.
The amount of stuff in my eyes. So yeah.
So now we're gonna take these two hangers down.
Well, good luck on whatever project it is that you two are working on.
Now in the back. Taking off the final two hangers. Very slowly.
Oh yeah. Wait, it's just gonna fall on my noggin. Please film this.
Sun in my eyes.
Are you filming?
Okay,
I
filming
can't
now.
see anything. We've done it. We have conquered the exhaust.
Yeah, so
I'm
it's
trying
just
to come out.
those last two hangers, and then we stopped filming so we didn't die, but the thing fell out. It was quite heavy. If you think it's not heavy, it's
If you
actually...
think that's quite heavy, you should look at your boy. We've done it, boys. It's like as big as the cat.
It's actually as fat as the cat the whole way through. So it's just one single pipe instead of two, and then it splits.
Yeah, exactly.
That makes sense.
Yeah. Because you were probably thinking, how is it two exhaust but one pipe? But yeah.
Oh my god. Okay. Alright. That's oh my god.
Telling you, dude. That's why you want the race exhaust.
Jesus Christ.
I didn't even rev it, dude. How loud is that?
That's unbelievably loud. Alright.
That's why we shut that off.
Let's get some back boxes on her. Holy shit.
Pipes and shit. Dude, isn't that insane? So now every time you watch a video and someone starts like open down pipes and you just listen to it,
Yeah.
The camera.
It's actually
does not do
uncomfortably loud.
it. The camera does not do it justice at all.
That's crazy. I'm down. All right. Let's assemble onto the grass.
So,
Okay. New exhaust is unpacked. Update. The exhaust is fit together fine. We test fit it on the ground.
test fit it. We got all the parts.
Now we're installing the downpipes.
No,
I mean the
I don't know what you call mid pipe.
mid pipe after the downpipe. Yes.
Your boy's lost. I'm fucking lost. I don't know what I'm doing. This is gonna be a bit of a spaghetti. This is the problem I'm having with this bolt. All of these go through the backside of the downpipes like this, but this one will not fit, no matter what I do. So, for whatever reason, I have to have it. I have to have it go through this way.
Okay. It's been a while. And we got 3 of the 4 downpipe bolts on, but there's this one in the back, in the middle,
It's a fucking bitch.
and it's impossible.
All
All right, we employed Chris, the neighborhood wizard, to come and tighten up that one bolt because we couldn't do it. He did it with a wrench in 1 minute. So we're stupid, but the rest of it's going on now. Should be gooch.
Buy literally this piece here just without the muffler, and then you can just put this on and take it off. Take these out?
Do you take them out or put them
No,
down?
there's a
Midsection
nut
is
that just goes
on.
right here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that should be easy. Okay.
So you need those then.
I need a clamp, I need the exhaust, and I need.
Well, the exhaust is right there.
Okay.
All right, boys. It's coming together.
Motherfucker, dude.
Was on.
I hate this fucking bendy clamp.
Yeah,
I
this
just couldn't tell.
this clamp is on a bend,
Yep.
and it's a bitch.
Holy fuck. There you go. Is that how far it's supposed to go? Holy shit. First start up for the boys. Alright, here you go.
Yeah, it's really quiet. Dude, that's stanky.
Holy fuck, dude. It sounds good, dude.